With the surging popularity of growing succulents in the world, and also here in Canada and in Manitoba, growing tender succulents, though, is a different issue. As here in a Zone 3 climate, we have to winterize agave, echeverias, or senecio. We have to be sure that the debris is cleaned up off of them, like removing the leaves, taking out any cobwebs that you see around because that means the spider is close by, and just checking under all the leaves and stems for unwanted insects that you don't want to bring in the house. Check the bottom and make sure that there are no hitchhiking slugs around. So in order to winterize them and make sure initially that there are no insects that you're bringing into the house, either use a ready-made insecticidal soap, or what I prefer is just using dish detergent in some water and having lots of bubbles. And you take these bubbles and tuck them all underneath the leaves and around the stems of any trailing plants. You can even put some on top of the soil and making sure that you're suffocating any of those little hitchhikers that you can't see, but I can guarantee you that they will be around. I put them inside under a grow light, and I'm fortunate to have a cold room, and this puts them into a dormancy. So from there, they stay for the winter pretty well unwatered, but if they are needing water by drooping a bit, you would give it a bit of water. And then in March, start giving them a bit more and start fertilizing them because they realize spring and summer is coming.